Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku Basel on July 26, 2022. Evil Sudoku. Third row and fourth row, column B, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row we have 2. Column C also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C and fourth row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 8. Column H, we already have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column I, and 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 7. 8th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, then column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 5. 9th row, 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 9. 9th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column G, column F, and 6th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 6, 7, 9. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column I, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 8. Column E also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Sorry. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row and 5th row, column E, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 6th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 2nd grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.